Hello everyone, my name is Razymae, Espacio, and today we will be discussing about the topic language instructional materials supported by technology tools. So this is a technology tools technology instructional materials that we will use in teaching and learning. So according to AJOC 2017, the different types of instructional materials in teaching English as a second language. So these types are also useful in teaching other languages. So we have here the types of instructional materials that we will use in teaching and learning. So we have here first a instructional chart. So what is instructional charts? So instructional charts is one of the three common types of instructional materials in language. Teaching and learning is a chart. So charts can be seen on printed materials, but their presentation can be enhanced and are presented in 3D or 4D form with the aid of technology. So there are an example of instructional charts. So first we have a Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word does not only allow you to create docs, but it also has a provision to allow you to create charts and etc. So di ba common naman kayo sa to ang paggamit of Microsoft Word in academic or educations. We use Microsoft Word for teaching and learning also. So next is the Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is one of the main features of Microsoft and other spreadsheets application is to create charts and graphs. So mostly the Microsoft Excel is ginagamit for teaching, especially for the teachers, and they use Microsoft Excel for the charts and other spreadsheets, or is one of the instructional charts that mostly we use as a education students and for teaching, and it's very important for teaching and learning. So next we have here the Microsoft PowerPoint. So we all know that Microsoft PowerPoint is very common, especially to us as a educator and as a education student. So we mostly use these instructional charts for our reportings and for any presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint offers various tools that can make your presentation interactive, and one of its features is to present charts in a slide. So when we use a Microsoft PowerPoint, we some of its features is a slide. So the next instructional charts is iOS, Android, and Windows Phone iPad Chart Maker. So these are numbers, V's 3D charts, and chart maker, graphing calculator, HD, Rowan-B, analytics, and graphs. So these instructional charts no maka um, maka makabuhat ka og any 3D charts, or this is apps that we can use to make a chart maker or graphing calculator. So there are many features here. So this is also a instructional materials that we need to use as a technology tools. So next, um, so again, the first types of the instructional materials is the instructional chart. So we have a Microsoft Microsoft Word. Second is Microsoft Excel. Then Microsoft PowerPoint, and iOS, Android, and Windows Phone iPad Chart Maker. So next we move forward to the next instructional material, so which is the posters. So posters is many of the schools in the Philippines have been requiring their students to participate in poster making activities to further develop their creativity and to help them express the ideas through pictorial device. So we have here the example of posters. So first is the Spark Post. So Spark Post is a Adobe Spark is a suite of design tools that allows you to make your own posters. So videos, and web page using your PC or mobile device. So we have the example of posters, which is the Spark Post. So you can create here your design tools and videos using this Spark Post. So this app is very useful for making posters. So next we have here the Canva. So mostly of us know this application. So Canva Poster Maker has hundreds of templates designed by their team of professional designers. So Canva no kay this is a very common application no for making a posters no. So there are many features po no sa Canva. So we can make a PowerPoints also, and um, any advertisement or any platforms, but mostly Canva can use it for posters. So next we have a black poster. So black poster can let you make your own custom poster for free. So there are also the apps we called black poster no. We can make a poster. Next, we have a posterini. So, posterini is a poster maker redefines the meaning of design, combining augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and grammatification in a unique way. So, there are also a posterini na to make a posters, no? So, we can make a design for posterini, like a reality or artificial intelligence and grammatification para in anang magbuhat kag poster making in a unique way. So next is the Poster My Wall. So Poster My Wall is also a poster, no? So it is a website that features amazing poster templates and has an easy to use custom graphics service. So there are also a application now we called Poster My Wall. So we can make a design for poster maker using this instructional chart, which is the Poster My Wall. So uh, so again, we tackled about the types of posters. So we have the Spark Post, second is Canva, third is black posters, and fourth is the Posterini, and lastly the Poster My Wall. So next instructional charts we tackle about the um, instructional materials that we call flashcards. So um, flashcards are indispensable instructional materials in language teaching. So these are commonly used in reading and teaching lessons in phonology and morphology. So as a education student, we mostly use these flashcards for our students and um, for our teaching and learning experience. So first we have the flashcard. We have the types of flashcard. First is Anki. So Anki is a powerful multi-purpose application, can contain text, sound, images, and standard latex. So we have here the application that we called Anki. So Anki makabuhat ta diri of flashcards like text, sound, images, and any standard latex. So next is Vocabla. So vocabulary focuses on the study of words. So to make expanding to your vocabulary more fun and addictive. So we also have the vocabulary application. So for making a flashcards. So next is Eduquala. So Eduquala is one of the types of flashcards. So Eduquala is a pretty similar to the previously mentioned app, but it's unique and you can learn new words. So we can also use this Eduquala application for making flashcards and to learn new words. So next is Study Blue. Study Blue allows you to easily create flashcards with text, sound, and images, and you can also For example, take a photo or draw something and then add more information manually or verbally. So we have also here the application that we call Study Blue, no, for flashcard making. So this Study Blue is we can make flashcards like text. Study Blue and Anki is um, are the same. So you can use also a Study Blue if you are going to take a photo or draw something for your flashbag. So again, so you can make a flashcards using the Study Blue, and Study Blue is allow you to create easily no flashcards with text and sound and images. So next, so again the five types I so again the types of flashcards, so first is Anki, Vocabla Eduquala, and last is the Study Blue. So Study Blue and Anki are pretty um Anki and Study Blue are the same, and Vocabla and Eduquala are also the same. And next we are going to tackle the next instructional materials, which is slide. So slide is among the various types of materials that are available for projections. Slides are film strips are the foremost visual aids. So they are great value in teaching. Traditionally, slide projectors have been used by teachers for their slide presentation. So as an education student, to present my presentation, so we need to use slide. So slide is very um, available for slide is also used for projections. So we have here the types of slides that we will use for projection. So first we have the Microsoft PowerPoint. So we all know that Microsoft PowerPoint, that we can use it for to present our presentation, and we use slide um, to present it correctly. So Microsoft PowerPoint is, according to Segundo and Salazar 2011, in the research state that PowerPoint, this program has become the world's most widely used presentation program and is a complete presentation program that allows teachers to produce professional looking presentation in EFL classroom. So for the Microsoft PowerPoint, no, according to Sigon and Salazar, no, so they state that Microsoft PowerPoint is the world most widely used presentation, no. So for if we use Microsoft PowerPoint, so we need to use the slides for projections and and also for teaching and learning. So next, we have here the Google Drive presentation. So Google Drive presentation is a cloud-based presentation, hence it is always available because you can always access it anytime there is net connection using your PC, Chromebook, Android, and etc. So we can also use the Google Drive presentation for slides, no? Like PC, Chromebook, Android, and etc. So next is Photon. So according to Seaman and Ismail 2018 stated in the research that Photon is a web-based tool that offers a wide array of media options like graphics, cartoons, and animated images to create animated presentations that flow smoothly and logically. So Photon, you can use Photon, no, for slides, no, like you can slide the graphics or cartoons and any animated images. And next is the Slide Rocket. So Slide Rocket, this is a web-based program that will allow you to create presentation for your language classes. So this software is very similar to other presentation software like PowerPoint and Prezi. So its notable features are templates templates which can be used to make presentation more visually appealing. So one of the types of slide no is the slide racket no. You can also use the slide racket for your um, presentation for your language classes. So next is Prezi. So just like PowerPoint presentation, there are several pieces of research that claim that Prezi is commonly used for presentation in academic instruction. So according to Haska 2013 stated that Prezi is taking hold in some disciplines and circles, instructors and professional speaker and students. So continue to post presentation created though Prezi online for public rehearsal. So for teaching and learning, we also use the Prezi as a instructional materials no for slides no. So just like a PowerPoint also, there are several pieces of um, are the same for Prezi and PowerPoint present and Microsoft PowerPoint. So lastly is worksheets and forms. So okay, again, the 5 types of slides is first is we have a Microsoft PowerPoint. Next is Google Drive presentation. Next is the Photon. Fourth is the slide racket, and lastly the Prezi. So there are 5 types of slides. So next we're gonna discuss about the worksheets and forms. Other types of instructional materials and technology tools. So worksheets and forms. A worksheet is not only completed on printed materials, but this can also be accomplished through the web. So by the use of some word processing software like Microsoft Word, a teacher can also develop electronic forms. So we also have a worksheets and form no as instructional materials no. So as a teacher and as a educator and a future educator, we use worksheets and forms, and this kind of worksheets and forms are the Google Forms, Quick Tap Survey, paper forms, like Cognito form, and Monkey Survey form is a type form, and Survey Planet and Ninja forms. And that's all my topic, guys. So I hope you understand and identify all those instructional materials. The first is the instructional charts, the posters, the flashcards, slides, and worksheets and forms. And that's all, guys. Thank you.